Just so many mandarines this year. Which of my animals will eat some mandarines? A mandarin? Let's see if Fatty eats mandarin. Get out, Wall. Fat. Is that a no? Let's try the Zulu. He's not the brightest tool in this shed, but he might eat a mandarin. I guess that's a no. Carlos, you want a mandarin? Oh, you don't like mandarin, Carlos. Wonder if horses eat mandarins. Hey, Poke. How about this? Nope. Sure. Hey, Larky. Mandarin? No? Not your thing, miss? I wonder if little ducks eat them. Hey, Puddle. Puddle, Puddle. Hey, Puddle. That's a no. Crystal. Maybe Crystal will eat it. Crystal. Huh? Not for red chooks either? Maybe it's a turkey thing. Oh, there's a chance. No, not even Christmas will eat it. Evie! Try this. You don't want a mandarin? Not for you? What a specimen. Let's see if Molly eats mandarins. Yup, about as quick as I can get them out of my pocket. Hey, Mo. Leave me with some fingers, man. One more, one more. Yuck. I'll clean your guts out, man.